So today I am going to discuss about a very important topic, artificial intelligence in civil engineering. So what is actually artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence stands for AI. It denotes human made and the ability to understand, think and learn. It is nothing but the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. The artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently in the similar manner the intelligent humans think. So, there are basically four artificial intelligence methods. The first one is knowledge based systems, known as KBS. Second, neural networks, NN. Third, fuzzy systems, FS. And fourth, genetic algorithms, GA. Now, since we know that artificial intelligence has a very nice impact in the civil engineering, so these are used in the construction management department, which includes the smart construction equipments, the trucks, the motor graders, the forklifts, the excavators, the dozers, and wheel loaders. So, the artificial intelligence has a huge impact in civil engineering in the criteria for the designers and also the BIM. It is also used for the safety managers. These are also used by the project managers because it denotes to measure the quantity of materials installed by analyzing the job site in a three-dimensional mode. The learning algorithms actually track the progress in the real time against original plans according to the given budgets and the planned schedule. So, the project managers use progressive information to track labor productivity and make adjustments to keep the project on a perfect schedule. The artificial intelligence has a huge impact in the transportation management also. Traffic signal timing and optimization is being ethically used with the help of artificial intelligence. The short term traffic and travel time prediction models are being ethically used also. The signal control of traffic at road intersections are operated by the help of artificial intelligence. The RAM metering on freeways, the dynamic route guidance, the positive train control on railroads, air traffic control. So, all these are beautifully managed by the artificial intelligence. So, here's an example of how actually an artificial intelligence works. Now, in the given figure, we can see how actually the cameras are working. The cameras can detect different types of vehicle. If a bus is detected, green lights can be triggered to ease its passage. Ambulances or cyclists can be given priority, or the right turn phase skipped when there are no vehicles turning right to ease congestion. So it's a very economical way to look after the traffic control. So, as I already mentioned, the impact of artificial intelligence in the transportation management. So, we could be able to utilize artificial intelligence by introducing smart traffic rules with the help of CCTV cameras, and all the data will be gathered very economically. So, The artificial intelligence also can be used in the geotechnical engineering in the civil engineering branch. The soil properties and their behavior can be detected by using artificial intelligence. The pile capacity to predict the friction capacity of piles in place in the case of foundation can also be detected by the use of artificial intelligence. Settlement of foundations, the defined foundations can be detected by the artificial intelligence. The liquefaction and the slope stability of the foundation can also be detected by the artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is also used in three-dimensional printing. So here is a small photograph depicting how the artificial intelligence actually acknowledges the method of three-dimensional printing. The artificial intelligence also has a huge impact in the building information modeling. BIM, Building Information Modeling. It is an intelligent three-dimensional model-based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction professionals the insight and tools to more efficiently plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure. So, by using this building information modeling, all the engineers and architects could actually could eventually try to manage all the procedures of planning and construction in a very regulative and a proper way. So here is how a building information modeling actually works by the use of artificial intelligence. Detailed design, conceptual design, programming, renovation, operation maintenance, demolition, construction logistics, construction in four-dimensional or three-dimensional, fabrication, documentation, and analysis. So all these are being ethically used by the construction designers and architects by the use of effective artificial intelligence method.